The five-match Women's T20I series between India and Australia, which concluded at the Brabant Stadium on Tuesday, proved several points. That the current Australian women's team just is too good for the rest of the world, regardless of the format. The women in yellow are too dominant with bat and ball, and there is an aura of invincibility about them. They resemble Clive Lloyd's West Indies team of the 1980s. In the final match, they were reduced to 67 for 4 in 9.4 overs but ended up with a total of 196 for 4. That India is one side that could give the Australian women a strong fight. The women in blue chased a tall total and took the second match to a super over, which they won to end the visitors' unbeaten run that had stretched for over a year. Deserve more attention. That India's fringe players deserve more attention from the selectors. For instance, leg-spinning all-rounder Devika Vaidya, who performed well on her return to the T20I side after 8 years, or the way left-arm seamer Anjali Sarvani bowled on batting-friendly tracks in what was her maiden international series. She had been playing domestic cricket for close to a decade. That Richa Ghosh's power hitting could add another dimension to India's middle order. The wicketkeeper is turning into a finisher who could deliver some mighty blows when the team badly needs them. A 6-off. The first ball provided India a perfect start in the super over. That Grace Harris could send shivers down the spine of bowlers in women's cricket around the globe. She doesn't hit a cricket ball, she clobbers it. That Harleen Deol, who can also bowl leg spin, is an interesting option for India. In the only innings she got to bat in the series, she made 24 off 16 balls before getting run out. The would-be owners of the women's IPL franchises would have realized that there is an appetite for women's cricket when more than 45,000 spectators turned up to watch India stun Australia in the super over finish at Navi Mumbai's D.Y. Patil Stadium in the second game of the series. Thanks for watching. For daily English reading practice, subscribe our My English channel now.